Hi, everyone. Welcome to our series about creating evergreen content to get more traffic to your website. It's me, Jen Cochrane from Mind Your Business, with my partner in crime, Jen Williams. And she's from the Jen Williams Agency and also hosts the Facebook group Business with a Plan. So we're going to be putting out 4 different videos, obviously one here in my group. We're going to have one on my business page. We're going to have one in her group, Business with a Plan. So if you're not a member, go over and join that now. And then we're going to have one on her business page, which is the Jen Williams Agency page. We'll put all the links here for you guys to click through. We just kind of wanted to spread the love, give you a little taste of what everyone has to offer here. So without further ado, we're going to bring on Jen Williams.
Great, thank you. So we're going to be talking about 4 different types of evergreen content you need on your website. And the very first one we're going to talk about is client pain points. The reason this one is so important, it can be for 2 reasons. One, for SEO purposes, but more importantly, for nurturing that relationship with your client. So let's talk about SEO. So that's just the keywords they're searching to get to you. The reason it's important for all evergreen content is to trigger those SEO keywords. And this one importantly, because a lot of times that's what they're searching for. So if they don't know what to do with social media and they're searching, how do I post on Facebook? What on earth do I post on Facebook? So you want to match those keywords in your article by hitting their pain points. So that's why it's important for SEO purposes. But I feel like more importantly, it nurtures that relationship. They land on my page and they see an article all about everything they're already thinking, all their pain points, and boom, you relate to them. It makes you feel like I can trust you. I know what you're talking about. You know what I'm thinking, and it really builds that relationship before you've even connected. So it's really important. What that can look like. So it can be a blog article on your website, but it can also just be like a blurb. It doesn't have to necessarily be an article. You can just create content on your main page as long as it's addressing the client pain points and as long as it's static, because you want it to be there when all your clients land on your page. So there's a couple different ways to go about finding your pain points. 3 that I like to use. My absolute favorite manner is I just ask. And it works really well. I'll ask my email subscriber list. I'll ask in my Facebook group. I'll ask in other Facebook groups. So if you don't have a Facebook group or a subscriber list, go to a Facebook group that you've been using and post in there. Just ask. The people will tell you, and keep it very general. Like, what would you like to learn about social media? Or, just like that. People will help out. They will let you know. Another method I like to do is I like to go into those groups and explore around, see what people are complaining about. People love to complain, and they're gonna complain about what their pain points are. So if you just go and read those posts, and I try not to ever post anything negative, so I don't necessarily interact with them there, but I listen. And I listen really well, hear what they're complaining about, and especially when I'm like developing products, that's how I listen also. But to really know what they are needing in this time, I listen to them there. Another big one is I will go on blogs of my audience and see what they're posting about. And not just the blog title, actually read the blog article. They're going to talk about their pain points in there. They're going to address things they needed to fix. And maybe it's something this person already fixed, but it's something that audience in general is needing. And when I say my audience, I don't mean other people that are doing the same thing as me. I mean people that I'm hoping will actually buy from me. So I've set up my client avatar. I'm going to find their blogs. I'm going to go explore on there and see what they're talking about in there. So you can realize a lot of pain points just from those 3 methods, and then tailor your content to match that. And when you're writing your article, it can be very broad. It can be 5 ways to get away from your desk and go work at the beach. Or it can be like very specific and be 5 ways to stop wasting money on pencils. It can be very specific.
You know me.
Right. So that's exactly what you want. You want them to be like, oh my goodness, I was just thinking that yesterday, and you want to relate to them because they're going to build that relationship through that way. So I hope that helps. And our next piece of evergreen content we're going to be talking about is going to be in my Facebook group, Business with a Plan. And I believe it's live now. And Jen's going to be talking on that. And Jen's talking about creating articles, talking about your products and your services. So
Awesome. See you guys there.
bye.